Financial Scope is an optimization application dedicated to stock market investing. It brings together financial data on more than 100,000 stocks and funds across major markets, and provides you with the tools needed to identify opportunities made up of high-quality companies at attractive valuation levels through an exclusive multi-criteria screening tool. It also includes features that allow you to manage multiple portfolios, as well as several watch lists enhanced with customizable optimal target prices and alerts, enabling you to take a position at the right time and price. Additional features, such as tracking the portfolios of top investors or a dynamic dividend calendar, further complement the platform. This video aims to provide a practical presentation of the data displayed on the application's main page, giving you an overall view of the selected company. You can search for different stocks using the search bar located here. The stock appears with its ticker symbol, company name, country, sector, the market on which it is listed, market capitalization, dividend yield, and the date of the next earnings release. On the right-hand side, you will find the Piotrowski score, an indicator of the company's financial strength, the latest known price, as well as real-time prices when the market is open, including the percentage change compared to the previous closing price. The most important part of the page is then divided into two sections. One dedicated to the company's financial quality, and the other to its valuation. Each criterion is illustrated using a three-color code: green, yellow, red, ranging from good, green, to poor, red, with yellow representing average. Regarding the 6 financial quality criteria, the first is revenue growth. By clicking on it, you can observe its evolution over different periods ranging from 5 to 20 years, allowing you to visualize revenue growth trends. The same principle applies to free cash flow, with stock-based compensation, SBC, integrated and also displayed here. Next, you will find ROIC, return on invested capital, debt, relative to free cash flow, with a level considered reasonable if below 3 years of free cash flow margin, and the number of shares outstanding. When this last indicator is negative, it means the company is conducting share buybacks. When positive, it indicates dilution through the issuance of new shares. As for overall financial quality, a majority of indicators are green, which confirms, as also shown by the Piotrowski score, that we are looking at a very high-quality company. However, on the valuation side, all indicators are red, meaning the stock is currently significantly overvalued. In particular, the price-to-free cash flow ratio, a valuation method, stands here around 44, including SBC, which corresponds to stock options granted to executives. Next is the price-earning ratio, which values the company based on its earnings relative to its price. Here, it means the company is valued at the equivalent of 34 years of earnings. The forward PE is based on estimated earnings for the next fiscal year, N+1, while the PEG ratio takes into account the company's earnings growth. Once again, all indicators are red. The stock is clearly overvalued. You will then find a company description and, on the right, the latest related news. There are also tabs dedicated to quality and valuation, with various parameters and calculations to determine an ideal target price. You can run simulations to estimate a relevant purchase price, and then add the stock to a watch list. You will also find the company's traditional financial statements, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, presented in annual or quarterly data. The transcript tab includes management's communications to financial analysts during the latest quarter. An AI analysis feature provides a company analysis based on its latest financial data, as well as information shared in the most recent transcript. Further down, a large graphical section presents the main indicators in detail, allowing you to visualize their evolution over time. For example, the price-to-free cash flow ratio enables you to compare the current level with its historical lows. As of February 6, the price is very high, confirming the signals observed above. It is not relevant to buy Apple shares at this valuation level, as the stock is significantly overvalued. Finally, the last section displays the most recent purchases and sales made by executives, including quantities traded, dates, and transaction prices. This video is only a brief introduction. Additional videos will follow to present the other features in detail. The application is available by subscription at a launch price of $99 per year on the website, thefinancialscope.com.